p.m.
I'm sorry?
You said the carrier is out here?
Yeah, a carrier is out there delivering mail today. I don't know if he's been past there or not. Yeah, it's a regular guy, yeah.
Really, because he's about like 5 hours earlier than he's normally. I'm calling because my Aconet turn-off notice was on the floor, and which doesn't bother me as much as my hostile neighbors who, I don't know, do unspeakable things that I'm not going to get into right now, but it's private information, and I guess I don't have to explain that to you.
Yeah, I understand. Well, I wouldn't expect he would have left any mail, out on the table or anything. If he's got mail, he's going to deliver it to the inside the box.
So how did a Con Ed shut-off notice end up on, then someone else's, obviously someone else got it?
Ma'am, I don't know. I can't answer your question. If someone made a mistake, that could be how it happened. But we stress to all of our carriers, and particularly the ones on the route, that know the names of the people and know the addresses. You must deliver the mail accurately.
I was hoping to hear it was someone that I haven't already complained about, and that it was really just an accident. But since I've told you before that I am living with hostile people and I don't need my personal stuff to end up in their hands, the floor doesn't bother me. The table doesn't bother me. But, it's my name, it's my apartment number, so it just makes you realize how many times you don't find out about it.
Yeah, I understand. I would have the same question myself if I got someone else's mail. Where's my mail?
No, it's not my mail. It's, did they open it? Do they have my account number? Do they think it's funny to do a prank call and have my electric shut off? Oh, I'm sorry. I've been living with this for 12 years. Don't mean to take it out on you. I already did that last time I complained about whatever it was a couple of times, because the guy who I feel sorry for, I'm not like looking to get him in trouble. I wanted to find out that it was a substitute carrier who just, really was cold and in a hurry and whatever.
Ma'am, we don't permit any of that behavior from any of our carriers, whether they're substitute or not. And I know it still happens.
I said it could have been an accident.
Okay.
It's the normal guy. He's obviously, has my, why are you making me repeat myself? I was just culminating.
Ma'am, let me give you a phone number.
Oh, fuck.
Let me